Today my topic is current trend of libraries. I am Saturika Madhumari Tilakaratna, a student in the Department of Library and Information Science, University of Kelaniya. I hope to talk about current library trends in a number of ways. There are current trends of library building and furniture, current trends of library users, current trends of library resources, current trends of tools and technologies in the library, current trends of library services, current trends of library professional skills, current trends of libraries in the COVID-19 situation, current trends of libraries in Sri Lanka. We see what are the current trends of library buildings. Today, the design of library buildings follows the required standard. The following points are mainly considered when designing a building: library spacing, space planning, lighting, noise controlling, ventilation, library equipment and furniture, library building security and safety. Today, the following trends can be seen in the library building: openness, multifunctional, flexibility, artistry. Now you can see different and attractive library buildings in the world. When we talk about library buildings, the concept of green libraries can be identified as a current library trends. According to the online dictionary of library and information science, green libraries are designed to minimize negative impact on the natural environment and maximize indoor environmental quality by means of careful site selection, use of natural construction materials and biodegradable products, conservation of resources, water, energy, paper, and responsible waste disposal. Here we focus more on maintaining the green color and getting natural lighting and getting natural ventilation. Library furniture should be considered when focused on library buildings. Smart library furnitures are used in many libraries around the world. Now you can see book issues machines. This is a high density style cupboard. Providing a comfortable service to the reader has become a major objective of libraries. For this, modern libraries have introduced a number of services that were not available in traditional libraries. What you can see now is a place of you can't see in the traditional library. This is a smoking area in the library. Smoking is very popular in good countries. Libraries in Sri Lanka are considered a place of worship and are not allowed in libraries. International libraries are not like that. They have set aside a separate place for it. Now you can see a modern style restaurant in the library adapted for the convenience of the reader. Now you can see a place received for children. You can see how they were feeling in it. There is a Wi-Fi zone. Today almost all libraries are based on the internet. It is the responsibility of the library to provide them with the necessary facilities. Now you can see a library used for a wedding. There is a reason for that. The new libraries are more attractive and interesting. The use of the library for the wedding shows their attitude towards for libraries. This is a meeting room in the library. There are provided based on the need of the readers. In addition, it can be found in free music areas, discussion areas, classrooms, art galleries, museums, free areas in the libraries. Now you can see what are the current trends of library users. Today we are in information society and technological society, or today we are in techno-savvy environment. In a techno-savvy environment, it is inhabited by people who are well used in technology. They are used in technology, their day-to-day life. They use technological equipment, will be network, they use artificial intelligence, and today we are live in the 21st century. Today there are three main type of people in the 21st century: digital fugitive, digital immigrant, digital natives, or those with minimum knowledge of technology, those with middle knowledge of technology, those with maximum knowledge of technology. Is the responsibility of the library to provide information, resources, and services relevant to all of these categories. Modern libraries cater to all three groups of people I mentioned above, and below are some of the areas received for them. This image shows an areas with an attractive finish received for children. This is the teen area. The library collection of a library grows according to the needs of the readers of the library. The library materials of a traditional library can be found in modern library, but today the demand of electronic resources materials is higher than that of traditional materials. The following are the sources of electronic information. There are CD-ROMs, DVDs, Blu-rays, electronic journals, electronic databases, electronic books, EDTs, digital libraries, internet resources, electronic mail data, opaque institutional repository systems. Virtual library concept is the best current trends of libraries we are experiencing in the current situation, COVID situation. Now we see what are the virtual library. A virtual library is a collection of resources available on one or more computer systems via a single interface or entry point to the collection of provide more than just a means of collecting electronic resources. A virtual library also provides user assistance services such as references, interlibrary loan, technical assistance, extra. The entire content of a library made accessible via internet. The content many come from different providers. Library resources or online reference services are available over the internet. Terms such as electronic library and digital library are used synonymously. An entity that does not presuppose a physical existence, that once exists on the net, and that is mainly destined to signal the existence and location of electronic documents. This is the audio books. These are RFID journals. Today libraries use technology and new equipment to expand their services. The concept of Web 2.0 takes a special place here. Web 2.0 is the second stage of development of the Internet, characterized especially by the change from static web page to dynamic or user-generated content and growth of social media. Here are components of Web 2.0. Accordingly, social media is the leading tools used in the world today to disseminate and obtain information. Today, libraries around the world are following suit. Web 3.0 or semantic web concept is the future trends of libraries. It is a growing concept is today. There are artificial intelligence, ubiquity, enhanced connectivity, peer-to-peer network, 3D graphics, semantic webs. Now you can see artificial intelligence in the library. This is the same. This is a robotic technology or artificial intelligence. This is the technological equipment in the library. Now you can see automated system in the library. Now you can see RFID technology and checkout security system. In the early years of libraries were received for kings. Today's situation is very different. Today, the library has become a common place of service for everyone. Today, the library must ensure that all the information needs of users. As Dr. Ranganathan pointed out, library readers today seem to be moving. Today, libraries implement a variety of services to meet the reader's information needs using the latest technology. Now you can see what are the library services offered at libraries of their users. There are digitalization, bioinformatics consult, translation, orientation, online book clubs, newspapers, ask a librarian, order article, books and documents, subject guides, library tours, exhibition, link to library website, loan some document, custom information solution, photocopy service, room hire, e-resources, PubMed delivery, request a literature search, suggest resources, news records, alerts, database, accession suggestions, FAQs, wireless connection, editing service, tutorials, library instructions, library photo and video sharing, interlibrary loans, mobile library, home library service, youth services, multi-actual services, kids, internet, books or computer, cafe, digitally downloaded ebook, audio books and e-videos, music CDs, disability service, digital studio, borrow and renew, about career what's new, find article via database, find resources, online resources, borrowing item, ordering copies, how to trace resources, journals, service for researchers, news, find images, news alerts, lists of new accession, library forms, group study rooms, find video and music, reading list, download, about career opportunities, eShop, link to other sites, alumni and friends, factory service, core service, digital library, delivery services, computer and laptop services, and find virtual business library, find special collection, research guide, research assistant, subject libraries, quick ref, library class, help find your next book to read, sites book, festival program, classes, books, Blu-ray computers to student and staff, author talking, art cafe and display, Flickr count of library photos, ebooks, book discussions, historical Photoshop and article, film showing, computers with internet access, computer class, language class, holiday event, fact service, technology instructions, display of books recommended by staff, RSS, email, blogs, podcast, webcast, webcam, YouTube, videos and library events, volunteer opportunities, printing, photocopy, photo booth, paper books, OPAC, catalog, language materials, job help center, magazines, local historical collection, Skype, research articles, children's program, teen program or program, personal computer helps, reading rooms, maps, new book collection, new CD collection, musical program, digital magazine, travel information, teen soon, technology class, fax form, reading program, study room, story time, COVID-19 news alerts. Now you can see game center for children in libraries. Many of today's library services are done through the library management system. Many libraries around the world are now automated. Library use commercial software, semi-commercial softwares, and open source softwares for this purpose. These are called Library Management System or LMS. This can do a lot of great services to the readers. Libraries today trend to be open source softwares more than commercial softwares. The reason is this is open source software is cheaper than commercial softwares. Unlike commercial softwares, open source softwares can be customized to suit the library. Now you can see best open source softwares in the world. Human libraries can be described as unique service provided to their reader by modern libraries. What is the human library? The human library concept is of a library that lends people rather than books. The books are people who have experienced prejudice, library, social exclusion or stigma, and they are borrowed by readers who can ask any question they like to both learn about the other person and also challenge their own prejudice. And the idea is simple and intuitive and is based on the notion that one-to-one conversation will allow a personal experience of sharing, questioning, and reflection that can radically shift perception. People who have taken part in this event elsewhere have reported that they can be profound experience for all concerned. The librarian, who began as the security of library materials, has now become an information manager. Traditional librarians used to select, search, collect, organize, maintain, and preserve the resources. There are many roles of digital librarian in future. If they are negotiator, navigator, facilitator, educator, on-the-partner, and information filter. Let's we see what are the qualifications required for the current librarianship. Firstly, ICT skills, knowledge of good computing, managing online content, use subject portals, information literacy, intellectual property rights, create common copyrights, project management skill, digital discovery, search the web regularly, ethics and social responsibility. Evaluating users' needs, users who come to the library, users who don't come to the library, teamwork, problem solving, navigating skills, critical thinking, leadership, skill to manage social media, ability to market library service. The COVID-19 pandemic situation is one of the major problems we face today. We are suffering nationally and internationally in face COVID-19 epidemic. In such a situation, the speed of information generation and the need of information of the reader is complicated. But in this situation, the reader cannot come to the library. The libraries should work to distribute the information collected in the library to the reader. In such a situation, the library should work for the information needs of users. Many libraries around the world are working on this. The virtual library concept is on this most powerful tool that we can be used for this. Social medias, Web 2.0 components, library management systems are used for this. In addition, libraries around the world provide up-to-date information on COVID-19 on their web page. Libraries around the world have listed on their web page the counseling program that inject the medical advice needs of these eye such a confusing situation, we can see how libraries have worked for the mental health for man. Libraries, along with health professionals, are directly involved in the COVID-19 pandemic situation. You can see a lion marched in front of the New York Public Library. The example set by this is not insignificant. Some of the services listed on the New York Public Library webpage and the latest features added due to the pandemic situations. This screenshot is the University Library website in University of California. I highlighted the current trends in libraries around the world. Let's see the current trends of libraries in Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is a developing country. For that reason, libraries in Sri Lanka cannot be compared at international library level, but today we can see some trends of Sri Lanka libraries. Many libraries in Sri Lanka today have adopted the Green Library concept. Libraries in Sri Lanka today are focused on automation. Music libraries in Sri Lanka are automated and they are not fully automated. Here are just a few aspects of automation. Open University of Sri Lanka, Sri Lankan National Library and Documentation Centre is currently working on the automation of public libraries in Sri Lanka. Libraries in Sri Lanka today have a longer opening time for readers and the launch of new services for readers. Digital libraries usage can be found in digital libraries in Sri Lanka, open national libraries and municipal libraries. The concept of Web 2.0 is widely used in many libraries in Sri Lanka. In addition to these, libraries in Sri Lanka can be seen networking to some extensions. Now you can see current trends of reader service in Sri Lankan libraries. Now you can see the screenshot of the Sri Lankan National Library website. Now you can see the screenshot of California University Library website. Today I talked about current library trends of libraries. The library building, which started with clay tablets, has now reached a virtual library concept. The concept of librarian who was only security has now become an information manager. Library sources starting with the clay tablet has now reached to digital resources. Library services, which was limited to kings, is now available to all people. The library which used to be a single unit has become a library network. Today libraries are based on the technology to meet of users. These are my references.